Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are doing great today. You all are very happy today. Today I'll teach you properties of addition of integer. First of all, I'll tell you closure property of addition. What is a closure property of addition? Do you know? If I add 5 or 4, we get 9. But if I add -5 plus 4, what I get? -1. Is this an integer? Yes. Is this an integer? Yes. Is the answer is integer? Yes. Is -5 is an integer? Yes, of course. 4 is an integer? Yes. -1 is an integer? Yes. What you have seen here, that the sum of two integer is always an integer. The sum of two integers is always an integer. It means integers are closed under addition. What that it means? That when we add any two integer, the answer of the addition of two integer is also an integer, whether they are positive or not, but the answer is also positive. For example, if I take two integers a and b, then their sum a plus b is also an integer. That is 3 plus 4 is equal to 7, minus 2 plus 1 is equal to -7. I hope it's clear to you what is the closure property says. The sum of two positive integer, sum of two integer is always an integer. Integer are closed under addition. Okay, integers are closed under addition means that कि integers का जो sum है वो भी integer ही है. ठीक है? If I take two integers a and b, then a plus b is also an integer. That is 3 plus 4 is 7, minus 2 plus 1 is -1. This is also integers. Next is property 2, commutative property of addition. Okay, before that, tell me one thing. If I add 3 or 4, what's the answer? 7. But if I change the order of this numbers, I'll write 4 plus 3. Is their sum is different or same? Yeah, it's same, because when we change the order of the number, the sum is same. Here I'm taking one negative integer and one positive. -1 plus 2. If I change the order of these two numbers, the answer is same or not? This is again same. Okay, this is again same. Commutative of property of addition says if a and b are two integers, then a plus b equal to b plus a. That is 3 plus 4 equal to 4 plus 3, or 2 plus minus 1 equal to minus 1 plus 2. It is again same. If I change the order of the integer, it doesn't mean their sum will change. Okay, this is called commutative property of addition. Now we will do our third property. Property 3, associative property of addition. Okay, before telling this property, tell me one thing. If I write 5 plus 4 plus 3, or 5 plus 4 plus 3, if once I group these two numbers, मतलब I associate this 5 with 4, इन दोनों को साथ में जोड़ दिया और लास्ट के दोनों नंबर्स को आपस में जोड़ दिया, तो क्या इनका सम में कुछ चेंज होगा? इज देयर एनी चेंज इन देयर सम्स? इन देयर एडिशन इज देयर एनी चेंज? नो. 5 plus 4 is 9, 9 plus 3 is 12. 5, first of all we solve the bracket. 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 plus 5 is 12. Both are same. Again I am taking one more example. Minus 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to minus 1 plus 2 plus 3. How will you solve this? This is 1 plus 3, or this is 5 plus minus 1. The answer is 4 and 4. What I have done, 2 minus 1 is 1 because the bigger number has a positive sign, so I put here positive sign, plus 3. On the other hand, first of all we solve the bracket, so I have added both of these integers. 2 plus 3 is 5. When I subtract this 1 from 5, then answer is 4. Both are same. Both are same. So what will we write? If A, B, C are any three integers, then grouping doesn't change addition. Okay, A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. For example, minus 2 plus 10 plus 5 is equal to minus 2 plus 10 plus 5. Yes, is it clear? What we have done, if I associate any integer with the other integer, first of all I have associated these first two integers, but on the other hand I have associated two last integers. ठीक है? It doesn't mean its additions will be changed. No, it will be same. Okay? Now we will do our property number 4. What is property 4? Property 4 is additive identity. Additive identity. Okay, I am taking 5 over here. What is the identity of this 5? 5 itself. Okay, if I am taking minus 1, what is the identity of this one? This number, this integer has the same identity itself. Okay, nothing is changed. The identity of number is a number itself. Okay, so what will we write? If A is any integer, then 0 is additive identity A plus 0 is equal to A. Okay, if a is any integer, 0 is if a is any integer, then the 0 is additive identity, because a plus 0 is equal to 0. For example, 5 plus 0 is 5, minus 1 plus 0 is equal to minus 1. So the numbers identity didn't change here, it is same. So we can say 0 is a additive identity of integer. Okay, property number 5. What is property 5? Additive inverse. Before telling about additive inverse, first of all, if I subtract 5 from 5 and minus 5, then what is the answer? Answer is 0. Here what I am doing, I am taking one positive number and I have taken negative of that number. If I taken number 5 and negative integer of that number, of same number, then the answer is 0. If I am taking minus 1 and 1, first of all I have taken negative integer, then I have taken the same number with positive sign. The answer is 0 here. Same what I have written on the board, that the number and its opposite. Opposite means if the number is positive 5, then its opposite is minus 5. But if the number is minus 1 and its opposite is 1. The additive inverse. If I told you, tell me the additive inverse of 6, you will write, tell me minus 6. If I tell you additive inverse of 7, then you will tell me, ma'am, minus 7. If I tell me the additive inverse of minus 7, you will tell me 7. The opposite of this number. Okay, what this the additive inverse says? The sum of an integer and its positive is 0. Okay, if a is an integer, then a plus minus a is equal to 0. It means, what is the additive inverse of a is minus a. What is the additive inverse of a is minus a. For example, 15 plus minus 15 is equal to 0. Minus 16 plus 16 is equal to 0. In the simple word, you can say that if I ask, tell me additive inverse of 5, then you will say, ma'am, it's minus 5, because the sum of both of these number is 0. If I tell the additive inverse of minus 10, you will tell me 10, because the additive inverse, the sum of these number is again 0. I hope it's clear to you. First of all, what we have done closure property. After that, we have done commutative property. Then the third property is associative property. Fourth one is additive identity, and fifth, last one is additive inverse. These all are very easy properties. You can learn these from this video, and on the basis of this, we will do our exercise 2.1 that we will do in my next video. Thank you. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. God bless you, bacha. Bye.